Today's a big day. We're on the way. On the way to where, you might say? We're on the way to pick up our new RV. The weather's kind of trashed, but what are you gonna do? We're kind of impatient. We don't want to wait, so here we go. Wish us luck. Anything to add, sweetie? A woman of many words. Here we are. We're waiting. I think it's that one right there. Let's see. That one. That's not easy to do. Feeling nervous? You nervous? Nervous like it's a first date. Okay. He said that he wanted to check some stuff out before showing us. So we started out this video that we were gonna go pick up our RV, but we get there and they're not ready. And so they tell us to go to lunch. We went to lunch. And we come back. We also went to Costco. Then we come back and it's still not ready. So we went back to Costco and we got a pretty awesome Costco haul. Look at that, 2 TVs, birthday or Christmas present. Pretty crazy lifestyle we have now, huh?
Yep.
Really exciting. Oh, fumble! Anyways, we're on the way back to the RV place and we'll see if they have it ready now. Oh, I think that's it right there. That's park. That's park.
Hooked to a truck.
All right, here we go. All right, it's the next day, and boy, are we tired. A lot of work goes into getting an RV. I had no idea how many things you need to buy. How many little gadgets and goohickeys and doo-woggies that you need. Oh my gosh, by the end of the day, my brain was fried. Oh, all I wanted to do was sleep, maybe get some grub and sleep. But anyways, it stopped raining, it's a little bit overcast, it's a nice day. There's our rig right there. Ah, it's here, it's finally here. After 5 years of waiting. Making our dreams come true. So excited. So anyways, we got brand new TVs to install. Because we prefer the smart ones. Much easier at entertaining the kiddos on demand. And we got a lot of little things like we got a new automatic hitch, motorized hitch for that. Plugs into the 7-way, it's pretty cool. So that way we don't have to put a battery in our little tiny trailer just for the jack. Oh, so much to do, so little time. Anyways, come with us today and we'll start getting some stuff installed and get our rig set up for travel. What do you want to say? What? Let's, Dad, are we gonna what?
Are you gonna put this on TV?
Oh, heck yeah, why not?
Last time somebody else asked you, you said no.
You gonna be famous?
Not me, but you all.
You already are famous, see? Right on the camera. Okay, let's get to work. All right, it's been about 5 hours. Let me show you what I've done in that time. So let's see, we got this TV in here. This one installed. Put in some straps to secure them while driving. Something at the bottom. Let's see. I had to put a piece of plywood back there to distribute the weight. That one took forever. I also laminated the plywood so it looked nicer. Okay, let me set the stage for you. My parents just woke up and I told them that we have the trailer out there. Which we technically do. It's just a small trailer. So they're really excited to go see me. So let's go see what the reactions are. Should be fun. Stay right there because otherwise you're gonna see it. There's the trailer! What do you think?
Where's the kitchen sink at?
It's brand new and it's a trailer. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah. Look at her reaction. It's so comical.
No, that's not it.
So technically, we don't have enough space in our RV. It's not as big as we'd hope. So we got this to pull behind Heather's car for storage for our bikes and things like that. Yeah, you did. It's brand new. It's brand new. It's pretty. It matches her car. Come look.
Wow.
Nice.
So nice.
And when it's hooked up to the car, it powers the lights in there and stuff. Yeah. And I got them to throw in the spare tire for half off. Yeah. That works when the vehicle's plugged in. So now our bikes and all of our belongings or whatever are going to be safe and out of the weather. Decorating the tree in our RV. Christmas 2019.
No.
I think it's December 9th.
Trying to get to it. Watch out.
All brand new stuff for us. A new life in a new RV and decorating the tree. Got the Christmas stuff out. Yeah.
No, Living. Mommy give you home.
Hey everybody, look at me and say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Alright, that's the end of our little video. So, hasn't it been awesome? It's been a crazy couple days, a couple weeks. Really, really awesome and amazing. So, one thing I noticed and didn't realize in the beginning was how many little nuances and ins and outs there are to buying an RV. It really is an exhausting but also exciting purchase slash adventure. So, you know, you in my mind, I at least had it that I would, you know, go pick up the truck and go pick up the RV, throw some gear in the rig, and that's just not the case. There's so many little things that the RV doesn't come with, and the truck wasn't even ready. It was, not all the trucks are wired for the fifth wheel hitch or the electrical components. And, there you have insurance and paperwork that you have to fill out. And it is much more of a big process than I anticipated. But I'm feeling really happy, really grateful for the opportunity I have to do this, to really live my dream and to really give it 100% for the things that I always wanted to do. And I have no clue what's gonna happen in this life in the future, which is why I've decided to do this, why Heather and I have both put everything on the line and really just go for it, per se. So and I was just thinking, wasn't my mom's expression hilarious? She like tilted her head and was like, what? Like, you're gonna live in that little tiny trailer? She gave really cute at times and really enjoyable. So, but I'm feeling grateful, feeling happy. So thank you for watching our videos. It really does mean a lot to us. It helps with the ratings, and it helps with YouTube's algorithm to send us to the front to get more views. So thanks for that. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Smash the little button, thumbs up, like the video, and leave comments. That helps as well. Spread the word around, share with your friends, whatever. We try to put out not only entertaining content, but we're hoping to add value to your life. So if you wouldn't mind, please spread it around. So you can find us on Facebook and Instagram. We even have an Instagram for a cat. All right, well, we're gonna end this little video right here, and we'll see you around the bend. Bye.